Buying a luxury car is an exciting experience, but it requires careful planning and consideration. Here are 10 steps to help guide you through the process. Set your budget. Determine how much you can comfortably spend on a luxury car, taking into account your financial situation, including monthly payments, insurance, and maintenance costs. Research and compare. Explore different luxury car brands and models that align with your preferences and budget. Consider factors such as performance, features, reliability, and resale value. Read reviews and compare prices to narrow down your options. Visit dealerships or go online. Visit luxury car dealerships in your area or explore reputable online platforms to get a closer look at the cars you're interested in. Schedule test drives to assess the comfort, handling, and overall driving experience. Consider new versus used. Decide whether you want to purchase a new luxury car or opt for a pre-owned vehicle. New cars offer the latest features and warranties, while used cars can provide a more affordable option with potentially lower depreciation. Financing options. Research financing options available to you. Compare interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments from different lenders. Alternatively, if you can afford it, you may consider paying in cash. Negotiate the price. Once you've chosen a luxury car, negotiate the price with the dealership or private seller. Research market prices and use that information to leverage a better deal. Be prepared to walk away if the price doesn't align with your budget. Arrange for a professional inspection. If you're purchasing a used luxury car, consider hiring a qualified mechanic or professional inspection service to assess the vehicle's condition. This step can help identify any potential issues or hidden problems. Review the paperwork. Carefully review all the paperwork involved in the purchase, including the sales contract, financing agreements, warranty information, and any additional documents. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions before signing. Arrange insurance. Contact insurance providers to obtain quotes for luxury car insurance. Luxury cars often come with higher insurance premiums due to their higher value and repair costs. Compare different policies to find the best coverage at a reasonable price. Take delivery and enjoy. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, finalize the purchase, make the payment, and take delivery of your luxury car. Familiarize yourself with the vehicle's features and enjoy the luxury and performance it offers. Remember, buying a luxury car is a significant investment, so take your time, do thorough research, and make an informed decision.